we have faith in this same. Number one. Number two, I don't think I'm wrong if I say that the DNA of Saint Francis Xavier is in the blood of all of Hindus, Catholics, Muslims and others. And I think proof of that is when you go to Olgo, when you see the crowd of people coming there, you find people coming from various religions, need not be only Catholics. And that is because the faith one has in that saint. If one did not have that faith, I don't think you will find such crowds at the Old Goa Church. I said that itself is there. When you talk of Professor Wellington, talking of DNA, I think I made a statement yesterday asking whose DNA he wants to check. I believe something has triggered him, and that is why he has come out with such a stupid statement.